So hello everyone, coming to you from Vietnam. My name is Yui, and this is my submission for the Atlassian Williams F1 Hackathon, the People AI. So in Formula One, race engineers face a massive data orchestration problem. They have to monitor live telemetry, cross-reference it against secret team strategy documents, and immediately alert the aerodynamics team if an anomaly occurs. So our solution, Pitbull AI, acts as an autonomous digital race engineer. It completely automates these enterprise workflows by pulling live car data, evaluating it against classified RAG documents, and autonomously logging incident reports directly to Atlassian ecosystem. So next is the Agent Studio. You can see so basically the get session key and the get F1 lab data is the API tool, which is the eye of our custom F. It links to the open F1 custom data source. It's the API tools. Next is the Atlassian MCP servers, Jira create issue, and Confluence create page, which is the tool that we will use this MCP server to link to and do some actions. And next is the memory. We will use the data source node to create the RAG pipeline that holds our classified strategy targets. And lastly, we open the system prompt, and let me show you the plan of this operation is a system prompt, and I engineered a strict chain of thought with two distinct paths. Path A handles general strategy and status knowledge without firing the APIs, which is tool lock critical. And path B will call the live telemetry analysis when the user asks to pull telemetry for a specific lab of sessions, and it will dedicate that a page drop if the page drop exceeds our RAG threshold, and the agent must sequence the Atlassian tools it calls Jira create issue tickets, and then it also calls the Confluence create pay after that to passing the ID into the Confluence and write a document before it is ever allowed to render the UI. So this is all for the architecture. So let's jump into the playground. I will copy some prompt to pass in to let the models output the answer for me. As you can see, the internal chain of thought is that it retrieves the informations, analyze Carlos Sainz in car 55 and lap 7 in Australia GP 2024 as I asked, and it will prepare to trigger the urgent charter ticket simultaneously with creating a Confluence entry. So let's wait for the answer. Yeah, it outputs the answer showing location of the race, lap 17, system set status, and as long as it detects that race engineer analysis is that pit immediately, which has the slow pace drop, it will immediately call the action taken, create Jira ticket through Atlassian MCP and the documents through Confluence of Atlassian MCP. I will show you in the Scrum 26, it calls the urgent page drop from Carlos Sainz, and also in the incident reports, you can see Scrum 26 of the incident report. It will write a short document in 3 paragraphs showing the report of the Carlos page drop anomaly. This is what the agents already performed through Atlassian MCP server. So to wrap it up, these AI models can work perfectly, and I also create the templates and submit it and share it to the community, showing our deployment instructions for users so they can reuse it in the future, reuse the AI agent in the future. So I would like to say a big thanks to Atlassian, Williams F1, and Airia for creating a platform so that we can together create the AI agent and the solutions for F1 community. Thank you so much.